Hello guys and welcome back to another video. I'm finally making another video. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded for about 2 months. Really sorry about that. So today I have a topic that most of you might not know about. So if you watch other YouTubers, which you probably do, so there are a few popular YouTubers, and they made a video about the most OP weapon in Fortnite Season 4, and that was the LMG. And they said that there are only two LMGs on the entire map. When they were wrong. There are actually three. You might be like, what? Well, I'll show you in a second. So first, guys, I'm going to show you the two LMGs over here. Then I'm going to go over to the other place where you can find another LMG. I don't know if there's a fifth one, but all I do know is that there are three. But they're kind of hard to get. There we go, and then anyone over here? I need one of those henchmen. Likely going to be Doctor Doom somewhere here. Well, there is no one here. Good. Oh, seriously? How many minis do I have? No, there's probably going to be a Doctor Doom over here. No, this ain't going to be good. No. Oh no, this ain't going to be good. And there we go, got him. There we go. So, kind of a hard boss to take down, but somehow I just took him down with taking minimum damage. And I'll give out this. Then there we go. One over here. Okay, so normally there used to be a lot of people coming over here, but after the Iron Man place came up, it became less popular. So we might not make it. We'll try to make it. So the place is near Salty. I mean, forget what I just said. Sorry if you were a good guy. I'm really sorry. But I really know. Okay, so the two henchmen are down over here. I'm sorry, and I'm sorry if there's too much background noise. Okay. So these are the two henchmen that people thought are the only place to get the LMGs. First, I'm just going to charge up. Actually, not. I'm going to charge this up. Okay, there we go, and there we go. And now, time for the OPness. So these are supposedly the only two LMGs in the game. Let's see if that's true. As soon as I open this vault and get out of here. Okay guys, so I'm on my way. So this place is it. You don't have to do anything too special. It's a special chest that it might or might not give. So let's check if someone opened it or not. So if you know, right here there's the Thor Minol. I don't know how to pronounce that. Where his hammer fell down. There used to be a chest right over here. Where did that go? Oh, there was a chest right over here. Did someone take it or is it random? I think it might be random. Okay, so guys, it's right over here. So if you open this, you can see you get an LMG. This one is blue actually, unlike the other one. So this is the LMG that no one knows about. Sorry if there's some music in the background. So I'm going to try and win this game. So let's try to get an amazing dub. So this is the I couldn't find it last game because I was looking in the wrong place and a person came and killed me too. So yeah. So now that I have showed you it, let's do a little gameplay since it's been a long time. So guys, Abhijit has joined me. He isn't in the game. He's just talking to me. You guys probably won't be able to hear him. And as you can see, we have he's telling if you can hear him, then good, or not, then that's bad. And I have very rare footage here. Very less people have recorded this. Here is the special recording for Gorger. Oh no, I didn't see that coming. I did not see that coming. I did not see that coming at all. And I don't have the best loot right now. Oh no. Come on, come on, come on. Get away from me, you things. Oh no, this thing is going to demolish me. These are like marauders from last season. Yeah, these things are really rare. At the beginning, I was trying to find this. Now, oh, there's a guy there too. Oh no, this thing. No, don't do that to me. The thing is so annoying. Especially these babies. Don't even know what to call these things. Oh God. Just let me take one of you down. And this is the only way currently this season to, get the rocket launcher. Fighting these people. Oh no, I am going to die. I'm so going to die. Oh no. No, God, please, no. No. Guys, this Gorger is too good. Man. Okay then guys, I'll see you next episode whenever I make an episode. So guys, see you later.